Step 1. Carefully remove any accessories, such as soft tonneau covers with brackets, that are attached to the bed of the vehicle. Step 2. Using a ratchet or cordless drill, unscrew the M6 bolts holding the front utility rack bar in place and remove the utility bar. Do not remove the left and right hand side of the utility rack bars. If side utility bars are not fitted, install the utility bars supplied in the EGR RollTrac kit. Using a ratchet or cordless drill, unscrew the bolts, hold in place and gently remove the tail lights. Step 3. Measure and mark the positions of the front drain holes using a tape measure and pen. Step 4. Measure across 4.5 inches from the side of the bed and 8.375 inches down from the top lip of the bed. Mark this position with a center punch and hammer. Step 5. Drill through the marked position with a 1.5-inch hole saw. Step 6. Use a deburring tool to clean any swarf and sharp edges from the holes. Apply rust inhibitor to the exposed metal. Step 7. Repeat the process for the opposite side. Step 8. On the left-hand side of the bed, mark an additional hole for the RollTrac wiring harness. Step 9. Measure 2.75 inches across from the side of the bed and 5 inches down from the top lip of the bed. Step 10. Drill through the marked position with a 1/8-inch hole saw. Step 11. Measure 1.375 inches across from the edge of the panel and 0.75 inches in from the side of the tub. Mark this position with a center punch and hammer. Step 12. Drill through the marked position with a 1-inch hole saw. Step 13. Use a deburring tool to clean any swarf or sharp edges from the holes. Apply rust inhibitor to the exposed metal. Step 14. To prevent water ingress into the bed, apply a bead of silicone to the gaps between the front and side edges of the bed. Ensure the silicone bead transitions smoothly between the two areas. Fill the far right and far left holes where the header bar was fitted. Repeat the process for the opposite side. Step 15. Install the RollTrac header bar to the front of the bed. Using a torque wrench, fasten the 4 M6 screws to 4 foot-pounds or 5.5 Newton meters of force. Step 16. Using a nutsert tool, fit the supplied M6 nutsert into the lower holes in the front corner of the bed, adjacent to the RollTrac header bar. You may need to drill out the hole with a 3/8 inch or 9mm drill bit to remove excess spray liner. Clean holes with a deburring tool and apply rust inhibitor. Step 17. Assemble the two front brackets as shown. Thread the two M6 screws halfway and use the shoulder bolt to hold the datum plate. Attach the bed and tighten bolts to 4 foot-pounds, 5.5 Newton-meters of force. Step 18. Assemble the 4 side brackets as shown. Loosely mount 2 to each side rail to allow for adjustment during installation of the RollTrac unit. Step 1. Feed the connector at the end of the RollTrac wiring harness into the tub until the attached grommet seals the hole. Step 2. Route the wiring harness down between tub and rear door. Underneath the vehicle, route the wiring harness towards the engine bay along the left-hand side chassis rail. Where feasible, loosely attach the wiring harness to the existing vehicle brake line and chassis mount using cable ties. Step 3. Open the left-hand driver's side door of the vehicle, lift the scuff plate to access the carpet underneath the seat and expose the rubber grommet in the floor. Remove the grommet from the floor. Step 4. Make a hole in the grommet just large enough to feed branch B of the wiring harness into the cabin. Pull the harness through the hole into the floor until the round grommet contacts the floor. Feed floor grommet along harness until it contacts with ground grommet on harness. Using a cable tie, secure the harness in place. Refit grommet to floor. Step 5. Gently remove the trim of the left-hand side B pillar. Locate the green and purple wires from the top of the gray connector terminal. Step 6. Using the supplied Scotch locks, splice the orange wire from the T-patch with the light green wire from the vehicle. Splice the brown wire from the T-patch with the purple wire from the vehicle. Step 7. Neatly collate the wires behind B-pillar and underneath door trim and replace gray connector. Refit the B-pillar trim. Step 8. Insert the 4 wires from branch B of the wiring harness into the supplied 4-terminal connector. Ensure that the wires and color match to the wires in the supplied T-patch. Connect the wired 4-terminal connector to the T-patch. Step 9. Feed a draw wire down into the engine bay towards the floor. Bend the end of the draw wire and place it on the edge of the engine bay. Connect the draw wire to the wiring harness with tape. Feed the wiring harness into the engine bay, along with the firewall behind the battery. Connect branch C of the vehicle harness to the negative ground point on the vehicle body, located toward the rear of the engine bay. Connect branch D of the vehicle harness to the positive terminal on the battery. Once positioned, secure in place with cable ties and tighten any previously installed cable ties if required. Step 1. Using a 2-person lift, lower the RollTrac onto the tub. Before fully seating the RollTrac, connect the wiring harness to the ECU on the left-hand side of the tub. Fully lower the RollTrac onto the tub, ensuring the front datum brackets align with the mounting bolts. Step 2. Trim the tube at the indicated ridge. Feed the tube through the previously drilled holes until it seals with the attached grommet. Step 3. Connect the rear drain tubes to the RollTrac and secure with cable ties. Step 4. Apply masking tape to the center of the tailgate. Using a tape measure and pen, measure the distance between the rear corners of the tub and mark a center line on the masking tape. Check this measurement by measuring the distance from the marked center line to both rear corners of the tub. Adjust the RollTrac accordingly so that it is aligned to the markings. Step 5. Perform the fitment check, measuring the distance across the diagonals of the tub. Step 6. Secure the rear and middle RollTrac brackets to the mounting brackets in the tub. Using a torque wrench, tighten the tub bracket bolts to 4 foot-pounds or 5.5 Newton-meters of force. Followed by the RollTrac bracket bolts. Step 7. Open the utility box. Secure the RollTrac datum front brackets to the tub mounting brackets by tightening the pre-fitted M6 screws to 9 Newton-meters or 6.63 foot-pounds. Cover holes with supplied rubber grommets. Step 8. Insert the supplied fuses into the fuse holder. You can now calibrate the EGR RollTrac. Start by locating the clutch lever and pulling the clutch outward to engage the motor. Press the 2 side rails buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds to start the calibration mode. The EGR RollTrac will now open and close twice automatically. The LED light will pulse slowly during the calibration process and stop once the calibration is complete.